The new round of COVID restrictions kick in today in the city of Chicago. Many restaurant and bar owners are pleading with Governor Pritzker to give them a break and dial back the mitigations out of fear their businesses may not survive.
Rohini Day is one of those owners. She owns a Vermilion restaurant, in the near North Side neighborhood. She wrote a commentary in the Tribune yesterday, and she is joining us now live. Nice to see you and nice to talk to you.
Pleasure to be here.
Okay, I want you to kind of give us a rundown of what you wrote in that piece that really stands out to people, or that you're hoping will stand out to people. What's the message?
So everyone knows what a dire situation restaurants in. We were mandated closed for 4 months in spring during the first surge of the virus. And now we are closed as of today, and it's unclear for how long. And, you know, restaurants are spaces where we have been entrusted with public safety forever. And we are doing incredible things like masking 100%. I test my teams every week, distancing, every safety, air ionization, and the gamut possible. Now, I understand that cases are 7,000 a day today. We've broken all records. But without any data to indicate that it's coming directly from restaurants, to shut us down again is not a solution. We worry that we will be closed, and in 3 weeks, case numbers will continue to surge because every other public space is open, whether it's churches, schools, stores, casinos, event venues, the gamut. And people are socializing indoors so much more these days, what with the cold and just COVID fatigue. So is this just a shot in the dark based on any lack of data? The state has not been able to identify where the surge is coming from.
Yeah, the Illinois Department of Public Health.
A much more drastic stance, like a shutdown, because how can you just assume that it's restaurants?
Yeah, the Illinois Department of Health put out some guidance that said people who had COVID had identified many of them being in a restaurant or bar in the previous 14 days, but they didn't say they had gotten COVID from a restaurant or bar, which is an important distinction. You mentioned some of the efforts that your restaurant undertook to make it safer. I wonder whether it's even worth it for you and other restaurants to continue with outdoor dining in a tent.
You raise a really good point. I haven't taken that plunge myself, but I am considering it because it's a long haul ahead. And it's unclear what the end of this cycle is, short of a miracle, which I don't see happening, a vaccine, which is going to happen perhaps third quarter of next year or end of summer, production and mass distribution. We've got to do something. And then if we are mandated to close the only way that we can survive, and it's predicted that 85% of restaurants face closure at this rate, is either if we get federal assistance. This is the Restaurants Act that's been passed by the House and stuck in the Senate, which was rolled into heroes, or if there is some miraculous cure, which I did not see coming. And so this was my endeavor to Governor Pritzker to say, either shut down everything, take a stance, and go public on actually trying to cure this virus and the surge, or give us a better logic for why only restaurants, because there is no causative data that backs it.
Rohini Day, a lot of people are looking at it, looking at options. We appreciate your insight tonight into what's going on and how the restaurant industry is dealing with all of this. Thank you so much.
Best of luck.
Thank you for having me. And one last correction, Vermilion is in River North. So
River North.
Got it.
We hope to be dining with you sometime soon.
Thank you,
Rohini.